Welcome to GoCentral Online Appointments. This tool allows your site visitors to schedule appointments for the services you offer right from your website, saving you time that would otherwise be spent taking calls and managing your calendar. To get started, add an appointment section to your website. Click the green plus symbol where you want to add the section and choose Appointments from the list. Next, select Online Appointments in the sidebar and click Manage Appointments to set up the types of services your customers and clients can book. Click on Start Setup to set your availability. You can choose which days of the week and which hours you'll be open for appointments. Clicking the plus symbol will let you set more than one time slot per day. For example, you can exclude the time you would use for a lunch break each day. Click Next to set up your services. Here you can create categories for your services. For example, while setting up a website for music lessons, you can create categories for voice and piano lessons. Then give the service a name, price, duration, and give it a description. You also have the option of choosing whether your customers will come to your business or if you will come to them. If you are planning an event that will have multiple attendees, such as a class, you can choose group rather than individual under service type. Choosing this option will then allow you to set the maximum number of people that can come to your event. You can create as many categories and services as your business needs. Once you're done setting up services for bookings, enter your email address and mobile phone number to receive email and SMS notifications about new bookings, and enter your business address so your customers can find you. Finally, you can choose to require full or partial payment at the time of booking, or select to have your customers pay you in person. If you choose to require payment upfront, you'll need to enter your Square account credentials so your site can collect payments during the scheduling process. Now your customers can schedule appointments with you conveniently from your website. From here, you can view your appointments, create or edit your services, view your customers' info, and update any settings including availability, payments, and syncing an external calendar.